I finally found the hidden entrance to the secret Reich rail tunnel.
This place has been sealed for 80 years, and the air is freezing.
I can feel the history and the danger lurking in these shadows. Something massive is waiting for me just around this corner. This is billions of dollars in gold, hidden from the world for decades.
I found shipping labels addressed to private Swiss bank accounts.
The radiation level is rising fast. I need to be extremely careful now.
There is another hidden room behind this heavy steel door.
It feels like someone was just here. The air is moving in this room. Wait, did you hear that? Someone else is in this tunnel with me.
I have to stay quiet. I can see a light moving outside the vault.
This vent leads to the lower bunkers, where the top secrets were kept.
I just heard voices. They are speaking German. I need an exit fast.
The battery is dying, but I see the way out to the surface.
They are shooting at me. I'm almost out of this hellhole.
I made it out alive, but this secret will haunt me forever.